Hey there, math lovers. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We make math fun, easy, and totally understandable. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of probability in digital SAT. Have you ever wondered how likely it is to win the lottery? Or why casinos always seem to have the upper hand? Well, it all comes down to the probability, the branch of mathematics that deals with the predicting the likelihood of different outcomes. So this probability is when it comes to the outcomes of the events, different situations. So let's dive into this problem then. Each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14 with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? So on this die we have number 2 only once. We have only 1, 2, and what was the total all possible outcome? And when you die this 14-sided die, it may just come any number 1 through 14. So your possibilities out of 14. So and then the probability of rolling a 2 is therefore should be 1 over 14 for this specific question. So the right choice is A for this question. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. I wish you good luck on your test. Have a good one. Bye bye.